general standard of play at the ongoing FIFA Women's World Cup. Early days yet, but we're seeing some good technical football that represents a clear improvement in the standard of the women's game, which is being played at an increased pace with more passing and more movement and interchanging. And look, people can't help themselves with the crazy comparisons between the women's game and the men's game and the reggae girls and the reggae boys. We're hearing talk that the girls are better than the boys and the girls would beat the boys and that Bunny Shaw is Jamaica's best ever footballer and blah, blah, blah. But please, let us keep it sensible and not get carried away with the moment. Let us just appreciate the women's game for what it is, a rapidly improving category of football. But the moment we start tiptoeing across genders with the direct comparisons and the ridiculous parallels, you know we're stepping onto a very slippery slope. extremely slippery slope. And when we get onto that slope, you know what I'm saying? When you slip,